What's up, everybody? It's Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. I've got another one for us here today. I've got a 2020 Ford F-150 Lariat with the 3.5 EcoBoost. FX4 off-road. Got lots of nice options. Look at those wheels. I like those graphite colored wheels. We got us a nice Line X bed liner. This is my uncle's truck from Alabama. He just traded at the end of the year last year for this. It's a 2020 EcoBoost. Good looking truck. Got lots of cool little features back here in the back. You got all kinds of little tie downs and little cleats, and of course lighting. And of course you got the power sliding rear window. It's got smart key access here. And obviously it's got some type of sensor parking. Maybe that has something to do with the backup cameras. Here's the key for it. The key got, of course, your lock and unlock and remote start, but it's got the tailgate release. Pretty cool stuff. Lowers the tailgate, and then of course it's got your Ford step ladder back here in the back, which I'm sure you've all seen. It's a pretty cool feature. Oh, I locked it. Okay. Black leather. We got memory seats, power folding mirrors. Leather feels good. It's got the white stitching and the black leather. Upgraded stereo. This leather is, this reminds me of the Lexus and the leather in my mom's 06 Lexus. It is just so soft. Let's see, what we got? Cameras, what is that for the mirrors? Exterior lighting for the rear view mirrors, I guess. Power pedals. A few features I don't know much about. Four-wheel drive, of course. Trailer backup, Is that your integrated brake controller? Heated and cooled seats. Dual climate control. Lots of charging ports. It's got the self-parking. This is a pretty loaded truck. Panoramic roof. Let's get in and crank her up. If I can get my fat ass in here. Okay, push button start. Powered tilt and telescoping steering wheel with memory. That was pretty cool. Nice. Our climate control. It's turned out to be a warm Sunday. Do some AC. Let's do a little recirc. Let's go out the vents. Awesome. Nav. Cool, man. I love it. Wonder if you can run them. No, gotta be one or the other. But yeah, it has the power tilt and telescoping wheel, which is nice. We have 1,029 miles. She's pretty quiet. Where's the exhaust? Yeah, she's pretty quiet. Okay, we got the 3.5 EcoBoost V6 engine, 2 turbos. If you know anything about this engine, of course, you have 1 turbo for your low end torque, and the other turbo comes in for your high end power and RPMs and speed and what have you. I own a couple of these little turbochargers. We have some at the office. Pretty cool. We bought a couple of them back when the EcoBoost came out because we needed to for reverse engineering turbocharger parts. Let's turn this climate control off. There we go. Smooth, like velvet. Yeah, so I actually have a couple of these EcoBoost turbos at our office that we bought new from the Ford dealership to tear down for reverse engineering. Oh, wow. Great cameras. Yes, the door's open. And that is a great 360 camera. That is cool. Okay. Wow. Close up. That's pretty neat, man. I like that. Yep, that is pretty cool. Well, maybe next time I can get a little test drive of this baby. But this time, since she's so new, my uncle preferred that some of the newness wear off before he entrusts me with a test drive. You know how people can be sometimes, and I don't blame him. I guess that piano roof goes all the way back. Yeah, pretty cool, I think. Huh. I was trying to get it to roll all the way back. We've got a couple of features right here. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, so that button here will close it shut. And then this button here will open it all the way up. All the way, so you get the full roof. Okay, that's pretty cool. That reminds me of my old Volkswagen Golf wagon. Man, that's a big old pano top. Big. Hope it don't leak. I just hope it don't leak. And I think that must be your power. Yeah, power sliding rear window. Cool. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. Anyway, yeah, we'll do a test drive next time he's in town when some of the newness has worn off. Y'all have a good day. We'll see y'all next time. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate it. And y'all have a great day. Peace.